We start with a video on how to create a GitHub account. So I'm on the page github.com where I can click here, sign up for GitHub. I click on that. I can either sign up with my Gmail or Apple address, or I can create a completely new account with a new email address, password, and so on. So I enter, email address, Max Masterlab, password. All right, my username, I'm Max Masterlab, and my country, I'll leave it as Czech Republic. No product updates, and I create the account. We received a verification number at the email address I provided. So I go to my email. Here it is. That's my number. I simply enter it, and I'm already on GitHub. So Max Masterlab, gmail.com signed in. And that's it. I'm already on GitHub. Then you send me either the email address maxmasterlab.com or your GitHub username, which was maxmasterlab. And then I can activate your account. Now I'll take a short break and activate the account for Max Masterlab. I've activated Max's account. We go back to Gmail. Here's the confirmation. pavelhorak.tech invited you to pavelhorak.tech 5D lab course. View invitation, accept invitation, just click here. And you're in. You have a GitHub account, Max Masterlab, and you can see the content.